Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will explain value decomposition. This method is based on the fact that every matrix A can be expressed as the product of a lower triangular matrix and an upper triangular matrix, provided all the leading principal minors of A are non-zero. That is, A is equals to Aij, then A11 is not equals to 0, determinant of A11, A12, A21, A22 is not equals to 0, and determinant of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 is not equals to 0, etc. So the meaning is, so A is a square matrix here. If all leading principal minors of A are non-zero, then A can be written as product of lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. Simply A is equals to LU. This factorization is possible if all the leading principal minors of A are non-zero. Suppose A is a matrix of order 3. So A is a matrix of order 3. Then leading principal minor of order 1 is A11. That is not equals to that should be not equals to 0. And leading principal minor of order 2, determinant of A11, A12, A21, A22, this is not equals to 0. And leading principal minor of order 3, determinant of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, not equals to 0. This leading principal minors of A, I explained leading principal minors of A in unit 2, nature of quadratic forms. So just see, we can understand leading principal minors of A. Let A be a square matrix, and LU factorization refers to the factorization of A with proper row and or column orderings or permutations into two factors, a lower triangular matrix L and an upper triangular matrix U, that is A is equals to LU. So the meaning of this sentence is, sometimes we can factorize A by reordering the columns or rows. In the lower triangular matrix, all elements above the diagonal are 0. In the upper triangular matrix, all the elements below the diagonal are 0. So we already know the definitions of lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix means all elements above the diagonal or 0. Upper triangular matrix, all elements below the diagonal are 0. So for example, I am considering 3 by 3 matrix. For example, for a 3 by 3 matrix A, its LU decomposition like this. So A equals to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This equals to, first we will write lower triangular matrix. So L11, 0, 0, L21, L22, 0, L31, L32, L3, L33, and next we write upper triangular matrix. U11, U12, U13, 0, U22, U23, 0, 0, U3. So clearly this is lower triangular matrix because all the elements above the diagonal are 0. So clearly this is upper triangular matrix because below the diagonal elements are 0. So A can be factorized as product of lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. Now we see do little method. So in this method, we consider A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 equals to. So now I am writing lower triangular matrix 1 0 0, L21, 1 0, L31, L32, 1 1. Next, upper triangle matrix U11, U12, U13, 0, U22, U23, 0, 0, U3. That equals to LU. In Doolittle method, we take diagonal elements are 1 in lower triangular matrix. We have taken L11 equals to 1, L22 equals to 1, L33 equals to 1. Now, Crowd's method. In this method, we consider A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. That equals to L11, 0, 0, L21, L22, 0, L31, L32, L33. Now we are writing upper triangle matrix 1, U12, U13, 0, 1, U23, 0, 0, 1. So in Crowd's method, A equal to LU only, but in upper triangle matrix, we are taking all diagonal elements are 1. If we take all diagonal elements are 1 in lower triangular matrix, that is Doolittle method. So in Crowd's method, we take all diagonal elements are 1 in upper triangle matrix. So this is simply talk about factorization of square matrix. And one note point we'll see. This decomposition is also useful to find the solution of non-homogeneous system of linear equations. So we already know non-homogeneous system of linear equations. So the procedure is non-homogeneous system of linear equations. Here we are finding the solution of non-homogeneous system of linear equations. So write the equations in the matrix form. The system of equations we can write as Ax equals to B. The matrix form is Ax equals to B. Now decompose A equal to LU either by using Doolittle or Crowd's method, right? When we decompose A as LU, now this Ax equals to B becomes Lux equals to B, right? Now let us consider Ux equals to Y. Then from this equation, if we take Ux equals to Y, this Lux equals to B becomes Ly is equals to B. Then by forward substitution, find Y and substitute Y in equation, and then by backward substitution, we calculate X. So the review is here. A can be factorized as product of lower and upper triangular matrices when all the leading principal minors of A are non-zero. Or simply factorization is possible when all the leading principal minors of A are non-zero. Now we see one example. Solve the following equations using Crowd's method. So the equations are x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 1, 4x1 plus 3x2 minus x3 equals to 6, and 3x1 plus 5x2 plus 3x3 equals to 4, right? So clearly this system is non-homogeneous system because constants are non-zeros, right? So this system we can write as the matrix form of this non-homogeneous system is Ax equals to B, right? So now we see the solution. The given system of equations can be written as Ax equals to B, where A equals to coefficient of the matrix A is formed by the coefficient of unknowns. So in first equation, coefficient of x1 is 1, coefficient of x2 is 1, coefficient of x3 is 1. And similarly, second equation, coefficient of x1 is 4, coefficient of x2 is 3, coefficient of x3 is -1. Third equation, coefficient of x1 is 3, coefficient of x2 is 5, coefficient of x3 is 3. So A equal to 1, 1, 1, 4, 3, -1, 3, 5, 3. X equals to unknown matrix, that is x1, x2, x3, and matrix B. Matrix B is nothing but simply constants. 1, 6, 4. Now decompose A as LU, right? Now write A as product of lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix, right? Where L equal to L11 0 0, L21 L22 0, L31 L32 L33, and U is equals to 1 U12 U13 0 1 U23 0 0 1, because here we are using Crowd's method. Now LU is equals to A, L11 0 0, L21 L22 0, L31 L32 L33, and upper triangular matrix 1 U12 U13 0 1 U23 0 0 1. Now multiply that equals to A. So A is 1 1 4 3 -1 3 5 3. Now find the product of this lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. So we already know how to multiply the matrices. So first row into first column, that gives L11. First row into second column, that gives L11 U12. First row into third column, that gives L11 U3. Now take second row and first column, L21 into 1, L21 plus L22 into 0, 0 into 0. Now take second row and second column, L21 U12 plus L22. Take second row and third column, L21 U13 plus L22 U23. Third row and first column, L31. Third row and second column, L31 U12 plus L32. Third row and third column, L31 U13 plus L32 U23 plus L3. This equals to 1 1 1 4 3 -1 3 5 3. These two matrices are equal, means corresponding elements are equal. So comparing corresponding elements, L1 we get L11 is equals to 1, L11 U12 equals to 1. This implies L11 value is 1. So we get U12 is equals to 1. L11 U13 equals to 1. From this we get U13 equals to 1. Next L21 is equals to 4. L21 U12 plus L22 is equals to 3. This implies L22 is equals to -1. Next compare this element, L21 U13 plus L22 U23 equals to -1. So from this we get U23 equals to -10. And similarly L31 equals to 3, L32 equals to -1, and L33 equals to -10. Now we know lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. L equals to L11. L11 value is 1, 1 0 0. L21. L21 value is 4. Next L22 value is -1, 0, 3 2 -10. This is lower triangular matrix. And upper triangular matrix is 1 1 0 1 5 0 0 1. Right? Now we know the decomposition of E. So now consider Ly is equals to B. So L equals to matrix L is 1 0 0, 4 minus 1 0, 3 2 minus 10. Y is y1, y2, y3, and this equals to constant matrix 1 6 4. So again multiply these two matrices. 1 into y1, that equals to y1 equals to 1. Next y2 is equals to minus 2 and y3 equals to minus 1 by 2. Now we know matrix y equals to 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 2. Now solve ux equals to y. Right? We know here, we know matrix u and also y. So ux equals to y. Upper triangle matrix is 1 1 1 0 1 5 0 0 1. Matrix x is x1 x2 x3, that equals to y. Y is 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 2. So again multiply these two matrices and compare the elements. We'll get x1 equals to 1, x2 equals to 1 by 2, and x3 equals to minus 1 by 2. This is the solution of non-homogeneous system of linear equations.